Well, we got the finishing touches on the, what's going to be the final plan. And made our cut sheet, ready to get started. Got our fiberglass, got our drywall, and we're making cuts. It's been nasty, raining. So we're working under the tent today. All right, still trying to avoid the rain today. So all of our lumber's been pre-cut. The window slices there, the stuff for the keyboard, going over the door, that's the middle post. What I'm doing is, if I get them all pre-cut, I'm doing the pre-drill. So all the little pre-drill holes up there. So I'm knocking all those out. So it's gonna make it a lot quicker when it's time to assemble. That's it. So once we get these together, we can start inserting the fiberglass and wrapping them up. So the weather didn't exactly cooperate today, but we got a good bit done. Got most of the framing done with the exception of the keyboard area. So the next is gonna be, I got all my fabric too, which is outstanding. I got some dark charcoal and black fleece that I'm gonna throw in there. But got all my fiberglass there. There it is. Getting closer. Next step is electric. So I'm gonna have an outlet on this side of the wall on the bed side, and then I'm gonna have the 4-gang on this side, on the inside. So that's represented by this here. I'm just gonna wire it up. So all I gotta do is just pick it up and transfer it over. That's it. So wiring up the boxes. This is gonna be the Romex that goes from the double gang to the single gang. So the double gang, I'm wiring these up now. Hot to hot, weight to weight, and the grounds. So just clearing these off. I can have this hot and this white here. This will be the main one. And then I'm just gonna twist the three grounds together, and then I'll just pull it all back through into this box. And then this one will lead, whoa, look out. This one will lead over to this box.